Hi everyone, welcome to Inside Wire, Restoring Your World. So today I'm on a trauma clean, so someone has passed away and bled out. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around so you can see what's going on. So I'm just going to do a little video. So this is the main hallway entrance in to the flat, so I can see evidence of a little bit of blood. There's a few little blood splatters over there, and then we've got some bigger bits of blood splatter sort of over here. I've just seen in the bathroom the lighting isn't the best, so bear with. So it looks like something sort of happened in there and in the bath, but where the person passed away was on the sofa just here, so I need to decontaminate all of this and thoroughly sanitize the working area. Not quite sure how I'm going to deal with this sofa yet, but I'm sure I'll be able to cut bits and pieces of it up and then put that in the hazardous waste. I've also noticed that we've got bits of bloody clothes and labels and stuff here, so yeah, I'm going to get suited up, we're going to crack on with this, and then I'll do a little video of what it looks like when it's finished. See you shortly.
So the cleanup's all finished. The reason I've got this mask on is because I've fogged the whole property out with an antimicrobial, and if I breathe that in, it's not going to be good for the lungs. So I've taken my suit off because everything's fully decontaminated and it's sanitised ready. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera around and you can see what I've done. So contamination of carpet is cut out in this room. Same down here. The bathroom is now all cleaned up. It's looking good. The plug was a little bit blocked, but I've got that unblocked and it's all cleared out. There's quite a lot of blood down here on the floor, and there was actually quite a lot of human excrement in the toilet, but that's all cleaned up now. Let's go through to where we think the person passed away. So as you can see, it didn't penetrate the subfloor, but it did penetrate the underlay. What I've had to do with the sofa is cut out some of the timber, because this piece of timber along here was contaminated, where it sort of dripped down the side and then beaded along this edge. This area here I had to cut out of the sofa. A lot of the pillows had to be disposed of. So yeah, job's finished. I'm going to turn the lights off and leave it, and then after 4 hours, once the chemicals burn down, this property will be rendered safe, and we'll send them a free certification of sanitisation. See you again then, folks.